Neboga sana mutegeri wa Meru TV ngochokera kiri gicunci gitu kia bithatu kia mubango wa Meru TV rukiri kilugite ndeka 21 kenyuma itheliche rukiri kumba kwithira chiro ama anendi anyo turi ano tuchokerete kumba kwithira tukiari mantu jegie utongeri na kinya mantu jegie wathani tume kwithira tukimenya utongeri na wathani nabu kumba kwithira abugita na anyway karibu sana atume kwithira tukiaranira nawe imwe kwa mokulukira mitandao yetu yo kinyanira Facebook YouTube na kinya rutero rungi rwa Signet na Pang Meru TV kendo twiro tegeretu kwa pande gani na betegere kinyambe kwithira gikunengera na mbero mbiki kwithira ukiandika niyo SMS ugitwira interere kuri na kiuri kiro kwenda kuria umbe kwithira ukiuria no kethira ugichokerwa twandikira message yeku kulukira na mbero yandiki kionini gyaku akana 0748918901 0748918901 ndakore tira chenche ndirito muthoni wa kirama nandi na mugeni ndene ya studio mbete kiramo kwithira nkimwe kanya au kethi kumenya no mwichi lakini ibwe ya ombe kwithira giukethia akenda tutana mbere na kumenya ankuruki muthoji wa mantu jegi siasa gichomba beta wa political scientist nende mantu jonde kiuri kionda na gyo siasa aria ukenda kumba kwithira akiuchokirie rwaro turarire mantu jegi governance and leadership ichomba kiu governance and leadership kimiro tweri gutaura kidogo ni utongeria na wathani akire uni kauru wa mburi utongeria na wathani binkwira bionthe mantu ya mono mtuno kaba utongeria no kaba kwatha okay lakini toa yakire wana ntu imudhunduri na muchunkuni wa mantu jegi siasa akomba kwithira gitwira ina bikwebanira kidogo na nimbi mutongeria abati kumba kwithira ina bio abati kwithira aina utongeria na ina wathani kana abati kumba kwithira aina wathani yake kana abati kwithira na utongeria yake akendethira ai mutongeria urabatu twingwa atukumba kwithira tukiririria akwithira twinwe inde na weregerwa atinende ukomba kwithira gichumire no chiandikithia we muringio kura ukethira tiro na kanya rwari bando intuko na wena kanya akochiandikithia ya muringio kura karibu sana akere mutegeri wa Meru TV akenda tutanabira na kumba kwithira tukimenya na kende kinya tukiaria twari tumenyene
mukeria mutegeri wonde wa Meru TV na rari onire tarakwa mbitaga Felista Kithenji kuma na area South Imenti ya Bogeta West
yes
no jobo igwa mbitairwa ndi muthomi kana muthoji wa siasa na ingwitikia naro tukagwatanira na turane biuria biria bibati kinya gukuga tugaciandikithie kuringa kura biuria biria bigatutethia kumenya imbio yongo twitite kuringira kura na nowe wengo tubati kutha tukiringaira kura thank you so much
karibu sana wewe ta umeta nterechi abo west naraki kwa ba DMK
yes
DMK achumire gwa sasa mimi ni one time ndatierete kirete stikon umeona
if kusema na kutenda wa zamani
jamani
yeah nkuona mbonete
arachimire omba kwithira akimeneria nene thirikari nene na ameneria utungiri bo thirikari ya Kenya kwanza retongirete ni Rais Ruto na Professor Kithure Kindiki na kintu kire kyatumire ibinya thori muno intukira kwari last weekend ikwari na Mount Etana mbere county na Meru kwari na ndiunga ya Rais Ruto na kinya Kithure Kindiki au Meru na ranterechi ya Yembe au awe na arere gwita kunenkerwa 30,000 agwa banenkerwa 30,000 waita riu turi na kurethia ukirite yana pili wa au ateti yari
agoro kamona byukirite bire yagite
siasa wewe karibu sana akire mantu jegie utongeria na wathani kana leadership and governance wombe kia ko to differentiate ati akendura tegerete amenya bune bwo utongeri na bune bwo wathani
muthoni kote mtu tumba kwathana
yes
ende tanto bonde bomba gutongeri nonto mutongeri mtu ina integrity mtu ina accountability na mtu mba kurwa biuria gachokia ina reasonable manner mwathani mtu wonde nonto kinya idamin dada was ari mwathani na kiri mutongeria wonde abati kwitha ina elements cia wathani na cia tongeria nonto kinya wathani bukaura mutongeria mwana enda kuthithia very difficult decisions kutongeria antu no bathithiria rimwe kwithera kwina umu bwa imbi bati kuthithwa na sometimes you're forced to make very difficult decisions kukethera mutongeria akiote mwathani riskira mutongeria bati gutake rimwe no remwe ichi ko mutongeria bati kwithwa a leader and a governor at the same time. Nonto kugavani kumaanisha ukanenkera resources tiantu na igwo kethero imandate kumenya tibati utumirika atia na igeta atia na ikabangwa atia. So you need to be a leader. Nonto mutongeria na nethero akiona mbere aina maono jantu bawe akimenya what they need and what they want. Na governance ni gutethagia resources tiu nenkeri. Kana gwengwa jonto ja president kana governor abati kutha ki generate revenue wengwa na abati kuthro ina governance ndene wekenda amenya mpumba ku raise revenue ata iminsiri kutumba kuongera na revenue inde kuriri kumpumba gwitanga approach baturumia mbecha that is a governor no mtu kana nkira mbecha amenye nkabangira iyaja baba tikage baba kona so a leader should be a leader and a governor at the same time
kendo twika a good leader na a good governor kwina qualities kadi mantu yakutubati kwa ilia atukona felicity na kubwa gutwika mutongere na kubwa gutwika a governor
qualities tia kutiambere na integrity ugatwika ogwe at any point in time no na gintu kia mtu akimereria matana ukabanga uromba ugiukia you are not fit to be any of those no but kwethera we mtu mukiri murungu and at the end of the day mtu te mukiri murungu they don't care what they do no but kwethera also uri mtu wina ability kuthikira mea ukethukeja kwethera uri mutongeria kana governor uri lone ranger ukamenya ati mibatu tukwenda ukamenya ati what your electorate need so but kwethera wina ability ya kuthikira antu but kwethera wina ability ya high level of integrity but kwethera mukiri murungu no but kwethera we mtu ukumba uri accountable meyi jatonya na every man is to wear lakini ukethera mtu kumba kuona mistakes tiaku no kauga here we went wrong na to rectify ojo nojo kana ukethera utijora ku correctify you refer to other people tumba kuthithia 1 2 3 gukarate
how important kenda mutongeria omba kwithira aina integrity na accountability ina umuhimu aburiku kimutongeria
uimu bakwithira uri na integrity ikwithirwa utienda ungumania utienda wamba na kinyabara ba kuthiurukirite you won't give them room kuthithia what is not mantu jaraja tiagirite na kenda withirwa mtu uri accountable ukethira ukiona mistakes tiaku tutikuga mtu atithithia mistakes lakini ukethira ina ability kuga kwirwa aja utathithia bwega no getikiria uma tathithirie bwega no ukethira ukienda kumenya muno uria umba ku better yourself kana kuthithia gutongeria bwega nkuruki kana ku lead bwega nkuruki so benefit ya interview bionda kire mutongere kire ura muthurite kana kire ura atongeretie ikwithira gukethira kwina growth kukethira kwina gwita na mbere kukethira kwina a lot of resources nontu ti utumira bwe ikethira irio na gukethira kwina gukura na development and all that
thank you many Kenyans kana citizens twethera ndimo tukibwa twi disconnected kana tutianiri ni atongeria na ni bibiongo bibya kuthira be create this gap in between mukenya na mutongeria kana ngava no tumbere kuthira twithura
mostly ndire mutongeria kuthurwa kana mbere ona kurera utwa bethara very down to earth na bethara bakiresonate na mwananchi na bakiuragia mbibu kwenda na mbibu kuona buge gento kimwe as an electorate tutereagwa mutongerera komba kurethera na very high expectations na ethero mbuga rimwe ari mutongeria ogiteri wa kuromba giteri ambere ethero akithuganagia resources cia thirikari ciuma uri gwitwa ure wetwe ni utieja that is how you na no gukomba go perform kutethia antu bako rero kinyire na aria uthera kwina a lot of red tape kwina a lot of mantu bati kuandika kwina delays nyatia thirikari rimwe nyete na mbecha buru some detach from the electorate nontu aria agakeja abwire ni atagwakarire jonto kuona kira president Ruto akuragira muno ki scenario na twirite in 100 days tuketha twina a nice bridge yani sorry to say ante bara kwirire we goro and may their source rest in peace na ugite na 100 days na mbuga thuganetie resources tithero irio at your disposure o ugo tienda bato wakinyanaro kethero winto urathuganagie ni bima atiu mujumbe to Saudimenti several roads na ugite in this time frame period yeneje nitakuwa nimemaliza lakini ugeta naro kethera resources ugo tienda te chuma so kio ikimo kira gituma bad touch na ground nonto muntu nakuriwa nkeja mbwire ate I give you 100 days, it's been a year.
Yes.
Nkeja mbwire ate kwe bangi na bobaeja intoxicated na power menya wadhani leadership uwezi lewa utumba kuogita leadership ende nuogite power.
Yes.
Na ndio ukethera muntu netire ogita netire thera kwina inya to allowance tukwejana nau aina very huge salary akorirwa ibao bamwikitio, so there is also that element. So could be etire ona resources chura ijeni wakaburetera tiwi kuonora kana agwitanganira. There is that possibility.
Thank you. Ke opinion yekuga na kimathone yaku mutongeria angun Linda and angun governor akachirawa aina utongeria na governance denewe kana ika aya amimbi kinyani bangi akathia akatukona role models kiraba kugwithia aka inspired agutwika Linda kana governor. In your own opinion?
In my own opinion, a leader or a governor can be born or made. Non to kis tuge mtu jauni ndomba kwithirwa ntachiari ngatongeria but kuri antu ndakurire nkimenya na kuri antu ndakurire nkiona ura bathithagia. Your parents can mold you into something. Ku terasima withirwa chiari ugatongeria well mutongeria gutiarwa aka mutongeria ati urigu utongeria boy very flawless na they don't have to make a lot of effort to be leaders, lakini mutongeria wa kuunda they make mistakes, they need a lot of guidance. Iba kwenda ukarabagwa atinjara, they need advisors, they need a lot of things. Ikio itumi nkuga you can either be born or made.
Okay.
Yeah.
Education kaita kama tu tongere batibatinya kwithira bathomi to mwankethira athomi lakini ena utongere ndenewe arenge tukauwa no mwankethira na degrees ciawe kana makaratasi ciawe kithomo akwino kishepu ki atongere baru ari kana atongere baru kumbe kwithira bakija.
Kithomo is very vital. Especially kire erera turi kana gitarera turi thaiji mutongeria na gwite kwithira athomi nonto equilibrium nego shift muno mbere kana miaka iri nyuma au tukithurana turatega mutongerio na tutongeria kanisene wana tutongeria nturene tukona u aratuthithiria na arauga no kona no thikairo generation iri karinga kura thaiji batiko resonate na manto jau so no kwenda some element of education nonto kithomo na ara cukuru tekawitanago maukune yake nwitanago karania na antu nwitanago kwelewa antu nonto people are social beings na antu baina very diverse reasoning baina diverse understanding ko ara kuthoma besides kwithirwa no gwitanwa biro gwitanwa no gwitanwa karania na antu no gwitanwa kurejanira na antu no gwitanwa kinya ugwa gwangwa kinya rero iskuru as kese naro mbugari ukothithia degree tiaku utithero ri minjarene tia ciari you are taught how to govern your small finances you are taught how to manage your small finances ugaitano kinya gukarania na antu bakumana ara tiumete nonto if you go to Meru University ara Ncheru au utapata wa Meru peke yake ukethera people of all tribes all walks of life na ndi cukuru tema uku ake cukuru ni gutethairia kinya uri wa kirasine kuaten kira tuga school of life kenda wethero no nwije ku interact na antu nwije Luos do not reason the same way with Merus non to culture yote yetu na nande we na diversity we mathogania na kwelewa kuko nene you lead better kure antona risabu bauga ute compare mtu tathoma na mtu rara dom nonto dom no kinyerwa no ethere iratu bia kubitei no ethere ruju rwa kwirwitire but you understood how to exist in such an ecosystem so you lead better when exposure ya both kukarania na antu na kuthoma compared to mtu tathoma bro no tiumba compare tongire bobo baire mtu othoma na mtu teta school
nibaga sana kaita kara ya kinya tuichiaru tuchiari tukiba kukwithira tukwena nkunkumano kithirikari cha county thirikari nene na corruption ithirite iri kintu kinene muno akiri tongire bura bwithirite bwiku na kinya bura batu tuochiriro turamba kwithira tukithira no tukaita konde every day no katwara ke mantu yegie nkunkumano corruption this corruption that igoro ande ndwalo ne CS ugimbo mwire na rombere kwithira kitri macheke akiongwa mauri mantu jegie kandi ugimbo mwire ya sha na inyabara ilanire miario akira wakaina corruption kaina unkumania abaithe terawa onte kandi na unkumania ndi abunge babonde bukona o abunge 90% bamwe be na facilities ciao na unika benda mbumba kwithira ngitumira murango nyuma kendo utira facility cio ni kumba kwithira chiki unkumana kiri mubango kana yo gima bomwire josha that corruption au unika ndarire igetu kinyo kuigwa abakiarikire bakwari thai now corruption ni the major challenge ki governance ki leadership kinya kirutongerie bwa ndiguru ya Kenya ni mbibio mba kwithira bichangia kwithira kwena corruption some say corruption start at home how
it does ugo thaiji uritokera mwana okukula ndo ni kweke cartoon you're corrupting the kid mwana unaije I do something I get something
wow
culture utumeambairia tutuingwa gitumi ugo kethro karinde ngarine bukamatina ngari na wetikirie gwikirwo excess nonto menya corruption ere in culturized ya tuikaija kaya ere a way of life especially for Kenyans nonto we nonto ina arake gweta na wetete utakwenda kumenya bwingari ne bangana mto bukamatete pamana ndera akinyira amabari uganya no enega nampe bona road block iko karibu ugawa no enega nampe ugaitegana nonto tekwenda buterwa kanya ukanenkanirega na kenda askari runga minjere na gitate anenkero bwita na rabo gwite
bwite
ugo tekona buburi unene utekone wire corruption mbecha iria chiudorana gwenjerene chita up to the highest offices ugo tekona buburi unkumania buru unkumania butekere atongeria ki unkumania buru manja cheto mwana okwa kathoma thaiji ururia no mpumba kuona ya ere way of life ya ere mantu ja kawaida kinyoge tanto banje nuka bera to change ni milioni ijiri tunenkanire kuna mwana ojo nengugi they don't mind nonto aba gutetheka ribu gutetheka ugo it's not corruption ribu ngia gutetheka ire jambio corruption so corruption in Kenya has been inculturated ya karaja ka chonto tuije chai nyonya barukire uno corruption yekarire but how do we stop this tukamberio nje uchieto kenda mwana uwa amenya ka batikura tikabatikura kendo na cartoon kana tikabatikura kendo munenkera dimweku abati kumenya ka batikura
okay
ko batikuduta ngarene ukabwekero excess bwero bukare na narambero karega that is how you start it but as karero konenkero mbeta you speak about it you do something about it that is the way we end corruption na tikaja kwambire kuma kire grassroots watu kama mwananchi wengu akwerewa nikieta kuandikwa jeshi I'm not supposed to give out any money corruption itaanza kuisha na sisi na ikiisha na sisi hata huko juu bato kethora to moldate but by corruption is a bad thing will be the leaders of tomorrow nonto if you tell me to erase corruption in Kenya right now it is impossible it is impractical nonto it is inculturated no nganti kumenyora kumba kuthithwa nonto ante ibetikiriri ni ukubatiuka ureta gonto kethera ikuingirwe ukethera maybe ni masa ya kufunga ugaitega no kana nkera soja kurugurira gatoya na thai wogo gutetheka nonto you needed that service no kwenda gutonya office ne kana banki ne it is not corruption for you it is you getting to where you want lakini nande unojo kwa mutugo igatuika way of life na nande cha kinyana area enya kinyana haki governance we are dealing with a lot of money tere kwa mbeche nyingi kura iro tukona ito atere njira ko roji rogachoka mutarone na batu tuingwa kuthithia what is right
lakini ndi rwechoka mutarone hu iba bakambio rochoki ba ubaibangite hu are ready kenda nende gutwika arotwira mwana labda otho example ya mwana akiribyo kuri murenga wikira a cartoon no I so ready kumba kwithira akirekana na benefit ile tikumba kwithira tikioneka kuma nekire corruption akienda nende twambiria a process kana mutaratara ya kuthira corruption kabisa
that is the question kiuria ni who is ready to give up the benefits that come with giving out something for something that is where we start au ni otopati kwambia kurania who is ready exactly
okay nibaga sana poor governance and poor leadership na atayomba kuthire ki affect both our social development na Kenya economic development
Poor governance, social development. Social development igukura gwaki John Tonande, you are able to take your kids to school.
Yes.
Una capability ya anabakuba kona gya kurea basic needs of life. That is social development. Mtu wengwa structural kana physical development barabara indagacha indi. Social development ni ugwana anjeku at a family level. Ibu kumba ku provide what you require. Kwa hiyo tuita pyramid hierarchy of needs. Omuntu nethere na needs chawe. Na kwina needs tia ndiburu tia kona gya kurea, kona shelter, kona clothing. Wamenya kungania biu ukambia kugia needs na ndetse kuga kanyomba gakwa gati kinyethere mbakite gatina rieto nturene. That is nande ore ogwito ikura no needs tia kutitagia. Waka kanyomba kau ukambia kuigwa nkethero ndena ngari ndethero ndi in another level. Needs tia muntu itethira chithere gitagia. Na ikyo kunenya tongire bara banana by na billions in their accounts no bakuruira ite. Nonto kwina hierarchy kwina level eri iguru ara twita self actualization. Self actualization na ndai gutwika inda kinyire and I got to the peak of needs. Inda kinyire mwisho. I want a big name. Ndenda kuritaya kaeja gwa ya kionerere jonto tuga igitara kibaki igitara uhuru. Na ikyo kona nande ba ikonga na mitwe mtu ina a lot of money, they don't need the money, they just need the name. Nande kire needs iria basic needs kabisa. Hiria tiandera buru. Kenda weto ogekura na aira kiunda kwirere checheta kwa social needs. Social development. Mtu nabwawe, mtu nanje ogukura ku. Alafu kuna structural development cha barabara, ituwete karabati, ituwete street lights, things that you cannot do for yourself.
Wow.
Intobiria bibati kudidwe thirikari na binene. Na poor governance affecta intobiwa atia. Rekwagire structural governance development, rekwagire barabara intobiro rimetio tiumeria. So at the end of the day, no tiumba kubiria. Ukagabia kuria nje kuno ina into mundene, nonto tikabukabire. Mea utumba kuria kawa.
Sure.
Utumba kuria majani. Ko bati kumeria ukona kire kuona so that you grow your family. Ko bati kwithoro ina majani jaje ja kire agwa boega kana kawa ja kau. Mantona ndeja kumania na thirikari, things that you cannot do for yourself. Na rira kwina poor governance kana poor leadership, intobio beyond the biu managia na thirikari bikaura. Watu ikakwenu gutenda gache kunera guteo bwita market. That is how you start affecting the social development tianto. Uko na anto bari in absolute poverty, anto ibare thina by na bionde batiumba gwitethia na bio. Nande poor governance ni result tatu. Also undermine social development. So mtu igitare onde governance ni complementa needs it yaku kendo kura to that level of social self actualization.
Yeah. Kiri good governance kana wathani buboya twindi twenda kwithira twina wathani buboya kuma ki thirikari nene thirikari cia matura na kinyane ndi kwithira kuri na arutero ruri regani na thirikari rwiro kuruta thirikari makosa indira bobo abu abakawo bukubwa rira butibwi bakwa butwike ndo tire kwina wathani buboya ne atu twirikia the role of opposition kiri ku shape a good governance ki thirikari cietu.
Yeah. Now opposition Kenya ni mitakago mono na rebellion. Rero tuikira mtu opposition ukona ja mundu no gono very rebellious na migambo manto jakagonya mengi iguru ryako. Lakini opposition in essence is not rebellion. Non to rero tuinde tugwitikaniria kinya manto ja ithoko tutyo no twira. Rĩrĩa resources cikwinyangwa na tũrĩa mũtwinde tukiaragia na kanywa kamwe tutiona gutwira iyo going wrong kana aja gutabwire no tutinde twitikaneri inya twatukeja twatwika twititagwa mutarone tukethwa ajwene nonto guti mutore on the other side gutwira bwitirite bukagwa. So opposition is key, opposition is vital. Na ikiri moko na governance chetu igistrago nonto after elections na kupata kuna provision that na ingoteke constitution yetu ni provided that an opposition is a body, is a recognized body. And usually it every second runners up in the presidential wherever na should be the case even in the gubernatorial position aja kiri devolved units the second runners up kiri kithurano kia governor about kwithirwa a recognized body na kethore na mandate checks and balances kenda atwira au bwitirite bukaura abwitirite bukaura that is the role of opposition na gukeja utika gutena opposition gukeja utika igitare on the after elections barabara pingana ibendanire ikio kona nande kinya barabara didege checks and balances baba gutugwate kugira marando jarabara twira hija gutumiza baba gutugwate ku to do all those bad things that we are talking about so opposition is very key and very vital na mtu rere atwikare on the opposition kana rere abanga kuga I am oversighting this government they should not be seen as rebellious they should be appreciated kaba batinya kuthikairwa na nande na ku opposition na yetu atwikanya yetu mitumira bui okay rere nya ugore on the opposition ugatwika you are raising alarm for the sake of raising alarm if keja kuthera opposition carry very well structured na remwe na issues ire ku raise na issues irio na issues tiauma nonto nande remwe mtu atwika agwita in the opposition akabanga nande nyajara mega jatibui that is where we go wrong so opposition about kuthera ire a very sober body a very sober group yantu barabati na mande we say politics ni interest na gutena permanence in politics na ikio utemwona mtu arari opposition igoro lewa kwa hii side siasa ite permanence na ite permanent enemies na ndikio wona kinya mtu ore at least urari in the opposition urauga the right things kanambi interest chawi kwa served and they move to the other side na ndeto kaga consistency ya mtu kauga hapa ni kubaya agutete bwega but the role of opposition is very vital and should not be ignored kana should not be dismissed
thank you over the past 1 year na 1.5 years tumbete kutha tukiona ntukimbithi kana youth abagichumiria sana akenda kuruta kwaria na mugambo jumba kiwo barendo tongeri bweya iba kwenda wathani bobui nao ntukimbithi gwatwiga sometimes atikomba kuthira kinya bakithikirwa abora kubati ideas tio batiko wakanya kaukaranthi bachi table in the table pa bwo tukwenda bwibo tutikwenda twetira tukabwa na twetira tukathukia ntukimbithi babati komba kuthira bakia involved atia kana abagi kwa metheni atakenda gutigira kinyabo iba contribute to good governance na kinya leadership kirotungire boro bwithira bwiku ntukimbithi kana bara tweta community Gen Z betete baga monona bariza very pertinent issues na tiabati kuthikirwa na at some point walisaidia kira kiorera na Gen Z it was very unstructured twachemanagia TikTok tukauga kesho tunafanya hivi na hivi na wantu bakaumira nturene yao na twarikia mtu akana kwawe gutena recap gutena structured leadership tumba kuga uno atu atuma kana uno go call meetings on this time and this time patu ikabatena structures batena systems ire in place tumba gutwika kwena consistency no ntorera ba umira ntu buba otetera bukabo they just go home but kukeja kwenda kwena consistency kwena leadership nonto boinya consultations nambi mantu jara jaringita bwega it might be kwamba kumbeza gutombe kanera nonto people are in very different areas but there's a agency bomba go involve kire governance na bagatethire decision making twina so many political parties around vyama bireo ayuthi ibati involve na shughuli cha vyama decision ya menya batu tumaira tugeta gituone kuringa kura but uri ballot inerea decision ile thithirito kiamene ugo maira ja muthoni gwita kuringa kura no to a certain party decided no karingira kura so many devils are put in a paper by political parties but ugo no ore chance kuthiro ri kiamene you decide which devil to put there okay no kuelewa wena no ore na chance kuthiro kiamene decision ile chapati primary sikithithwa kana rire party constitution kwa amended kana rire nya national executive council chebia maikuthurwa ukethirwo reo no you start now making those decisions from a very from a smaller group of people kana from a devolved
small unit decisions ira make impact kinya leadership erojo nonto retwa menya youth we have numbers na twi baba ingi kesi nari onende mo youth kiama kia DP party bas party na rera decisions ikethore kithitha gwatiano karomba gite kia MP na no karomba gite kia MCA na no karomba gite kia governor na nonto nani ndi very interested na kumenya nata kia magi kuthithia na imbie kubangwa kia mene nketherwa nkireza voice yakwa nkiuga ticket ina itibati kunenkera muntu muna nonto pa 1 2 3 kana ibati kunenkera muntu muna nonto pa 1 2 3 na how do I impact that ikudhara kuna meetings kudhara kuna panels kudhara kuna party primaries don't be other because idurana bebiama that is where you make your contribution by the time ba ukinya ballotina nonto mtu ballotina it's either that one or the other one na ndio ukethora ugo impact no wekero karatasi na kara so that the larger Meru kana the larger Kenya does not make a mistake so tutomba ukarana tugabia mabia akoro bia mabia akoro bia mabia ntobraba ukurakora that is not the case.
Yes.
Those parties constitution chacho chena provisions cha youth chena provisions cha women chena provisions cha disabled people na provisions cha youth ni chena provisions cha youth bariarito student leagues youth leagues join those leagues kenda withdraw contribution seku chiruma from the grassroots uteko eterara kurene kiama kiambeta kwa huyu ndo unapigia kura that is when now you're given a chance to make a decision let us not make that happen.
Mumero ugire na Kimiru inura kiare wite betikire nende tonuri aratugwite tuchoke account ni yetu ya Meru tu obando tukere manto jegie good leadership good governance non tuwe muchunkuni manto ya siasa we mudhomi na we mududuri manto ya siasa account ni ya Meru ratas akimanto jegie good governance in terms of good leadership ratas tuweka percent fulani nini hapo mnafaa 2%.
Now in a scale of 1 to 10 governor ratu ina wetha IG has only been in office for a few months.
Yes.
So it's not even a year. So ukamwikira ratirina tha IG you might not be very fair. Nonto ataye wakanya kinyata ataye wakanya ga gutumira budget aandikite wewe ngwa kana overseete kana approve it assembly abera this is what I think Marians could want atare na kanya atare akona kanya zakau kagutika na nenkeri budget kana na overseete kana na approve it budget yaandikia mitegero na miruba ko banatho amiruba ko ba kiegoi amiruba ko ba bogeta begoji biba andikite pia baguna na no bionore so he has not had that chance so I think it is right well from kumarira jokere wadhani tukona mataja maingi ya kimove in as much as ara tumera supplementary budget very small money but tonete inya at least tukona tract moka Nigerian tore neku is ikawero ga ukona there is more coming na to expectations no mumero ogere onoragiera gwite no ogere mpake njume tere jambe neu non teke ya korene meambe tika iti tiara kapya kamo tiara tutwingi ndeke ya korembe neu idero ritembe ngemo ndeke ya kwidi gwetera mbe kagembe nyingi ina bya kora na rojo so we are still expectant na ito kuona governor yetu mbe neu ko ya mpaka njume tambe tutegere tone at least anenkere budget yewe tone atwiki tendereko then maybe sometimes next year after the first quarter in February March kiure kiukambore ndaguchokera
okay one of the reason kana itumikimo kiombere kwithira kituma former governor kwera mwangazo mba kwithira kebilu gitine na yari kwithira mbecha chiawe kwimbeche kwikigene MCs mba kwithira baitengiro na batumba kwithira bekinjiro mbecha ira gwatukana na maturene kutina witina mbere na ngabana mutume kuyukia wathani I am so sure at nende kiriro kya MCAs na kiriro kya tungere bange igikomba kwithira gikinyanira number 1 tukiambire na MCAs na mbitikiria turingete kidogo wandie kwa rotwirire yabo ira ya DMK urara kiumiri weru na gwa ate ku support thirikari ya Rais Ruto ende na ku support thirikari ya county ile tongeretu ni governor Mutumanto Ethingia kuma Mutumanto Ethingia kuyukia giti muno kiwandie kuno tunauno tugwa tutina maendeleo MCAs baterwe MCAs kinya bate kuomiri kinya bwita michemanio ne mathiko no ntutekyo kabisa bena kyo kya utira njeira wandie ku kura kwa DMK mutume ko yuge gitene for those few days ni ugaruruku kubonete no kwenu
for the few months dire mutume director office for the past 2.5 years abogeta west gutekyo tuona tuonaga kimuchemane jo mutu chere gumboots now that was I think twice or once if I'm not so wrong I stand to be corrected governor mutuma ko jokia wathani ire gwatwikire kwina supplementary budget na resources ire cionda nonto 2.5 years barabara iterimi ikumanisha barabara chari kwa impassable kwa twika guteno mtu akomba kumira but kuma bako gutwika kwina supplementary budget what MCS did now was very noble resources ira cionde mbeche ira tiari menya rera gutena wite nambere bugwita nambere mbeche chithora itenginde itigutumirwa so resources ira baichanerere barabara ene nontu it was bad kwa rigu kuthuka buru so ni we resources ira kwa channels to barabara through mheshimiwa DMK to barabara to Abogeta West if not all almost all of them have been done yani ira nyingi no tuko na aina ability nande kurugura barabara ira tia ingi aina ability ku grade ira tia rikura buru ira tia especially ira very mbuge bambere na barabara ira main ira go servant barabara ingi the good thing with Abogeta West ni zone ya majani kwithera twena cess ya kuma kire factory cha majani kwa kwithera kwena at least factory MCs bari manjera nyaba ketha batiko na hard ko cha gutora njirene na marami na everything factory na chichi ya igekira mara so complementation ibaga complement each other ikyo withera tutina issues cha barabara mono cha zone cha bagaiti so what they did pa channel to becha tora to atigara to kai most of those resources kire barabara kenda gutwika nande nara kurare gukura buru kwina at least something being seen so dani kumantore kwa rambu mitenja gwetu ito aruguriro barabara enjeru itagwa ya kuma Karirune Kiguina ikaumira Mwanka in the main road so I have something to show compared to nyuma na area na in so many other areas of Abogeta West na rando na tractor ire graders nambi at least we can say something is going on na expectation ira twina yo ne ati na ndegwa twika kwina budget nonto nande so many projects tiande kikire budget yu na barabara iria ikwenda a lot of money nonto kwi barabara je mwereka turi kumaga turi karima yumpu na area kibari ikwenda over 8 million nonto are kurukirite iro arene ni kwenda nya very good bridge igwetere guru kana flyover so barabara jayu we have expectations that maybe they could be in this coming budget but you cannot compare Meru to the Meru that we had 2.5 years ago you can't.
Thank you. DMK kyogora wirewe nende mantu jegie 2 term hayuko huko. Abe arenda ku support 1 term na no tunonete tungire bora Rais Ruto kwina bubu ina makutho na nakudura ngete makutho mengi akiwa kinya akikandi ugima omwire yasha au aki affordable housing iyo ni mirandi rete na itikureta maendeleo kiri Akenya na nkuru kiwa kinya ugima yakandi ugima bwire yasha itioritanguye kabisa aindono kithira kwinore gwe kitangwe na kithira kwinono utwire alafu nende kithirikari inene ikwa twikire Meru county komba kwithira ikethwa city na indono leo bando DMK kyogora kiregana na niyo kwina baraba witikaniria ati Meru county ni batikumba kwithira ikethwa a city kuringana na uwe are we qualified are we in that position at nende Meru no tubuitu tukatwika a city tukinya iwango bira a city ibatikwithira ikinya kenda ubwe yitwa city kire Urban and Cities Act of 2019 I believe kwina urabo batikwa bukari kenda butwika city to begin with batikwa bwana certain population that we don't have
population ya city bati kwithira kinyete ya Meru population yo tateneo ito bati kwithira twina barabara cheto cha town na tubati kwithira twina big accommodations jonto mahoteli vitu kama hizo we have very few countable hotels ito bati kwithira twina recreation centers ito bati kwithira twina into bibingi muno tubati kwithira sewer system yetu iri perfect na bure buru bomba to inyeria buru ni infrastructure ya town nonto Meru town besides barabara hivi ile au katikati huko nao na nyuma nonto tuge barabara jaire chitakuthaga na Meru General na cibitari iri vitu kama hizo cha gutonya na ndani chibati kuthara chire tamak na kirage kura na tuburu population that is required unless we want to ignore that act then we do not have what it takes to become a city na it beats logic kuga itu kwenda kwa city when our sewer is going igita na muro it beats logic kuga itu kwenda kwa city tairia town yenkubu imundene ende tukwenda Meru ya city na town ere go serve our sub counties are kinya town ndene katikati are impossible. It beats logic. So mbuga kira mheshimiwa DMK akuga we can prioritize other things na now gereboga we can become a city in 10 years time. Right now we have other pertinent issues ire to inherit kingi kuyungi boria
mantujasha
aya now what DMK said naenda muthikirira nonto na state kaerekere TikTok fulani ya MC Kare na ariria matuja just at length na I understood him correctly that totekuga mtu ategwita cibitari atiritwa na sha ugo muthoni na arua ugeta general kana ugeta na arua wandikithite sha kuga atiritwa what is happening is cibitari iratiritanire na sha indi menya riweta gutiritwa na sha weta ugatiritwa ugo muthoni ukahana
yes
cibitari gatigwa ikandikira thirikari kamura muthoni atumira ngiri 40 rito kwenda reimbursement ya mbeca iriku so that the hospital can run na muthoni natiritirwe na thithiru ithimi na nanenkerwe ndawa na nanire cibitari nitumire ndawa daktari ura natumire mathaja wakariwa na kinya ithimi notumire to whatever they use ko cibitari u ina resources itumire on you what is happening is there is millions and millions of money that has not been paid to hospitals ko moving forward nonto nande noetere consolata nkubuka na kirwa na batachokerwe mbecha cia thirikari why would they want to treat you again imbi gatuma bakunenkera resources ciao kairi na ire bakunenkera batachokerwa so cibitari pilot millions and millions of money na thirikari ituchokia mbecha hiyo so SHA is working nonto natio is working for mwananchi cibitari gia accumulator marando marando thirikari tikumba kurea na ikia tumi ina a few months time SHA will have collapsed nonto cibitari kenda kunenkera mbecha ciao kairi if that money is not being reimbursed nonto ndawi ba kwa bagaitana aitibo baba ngiba kare anai that is what we mean when we say na kwe unto mechanics boga do not replace it if it's working NHIF was working
yes
NHIF ni oto abati kuringa rada kana kuringa sandpaper nonto excuse the president Ruto ne that NHIF was working but was working for the few able kwa tuweka percentage area mtuja MP ukurewa almost 700,000 kana I'm not sure what they are paid aregitwa the same percentage nere mama mboga akugitwa what we ought to have done ni ku streamline NHIF kwa tuweka mtu aigitwa mbeca na percentage kirako nonto batugitirite mama mboga ama 500 na ma 300 una okura muchara jo mwingi aragita kwa 1500 akagita over 40,000 nonto president Ruto wengwa at State House na ugiragita kwa I think 47,000 what was so hard ku change systems kana programs cha NHIF itukanigwa accommodate anto and to do away with it completely while it was working to come up with something that is collapsing in a few months to come nikianto bakuga systems you they are not working. Affordable housing muritingo gyo thirikari kana mutore na payslip no kugitwa mbecha. Thirikari ire akanyomba izi on government land ko ute munda chukuri. Na remo itingo gya gitwa mbecha nyomba ciakwa ure gutwanya nyomba kinyo gakure aire anonto bwai. I resources imunda jukurewa. Mbecha temo itingo gyo giti resources yu ciaka nyomba ciaka. Ingi ukore witiai. That is what the question is. Because we are building on government land, utemunda juguri. We are using resources to metakire government employees kwa kanyomba iria. If the intention of the government was to help us, igo tuwe kana ande bara antobara bakara majengo, slums Chamero, kana bara bakara Kibera Nairobi. Iboba guitwa in the slums, nyomba yu chiaki baka nenkero for free, so that we better people's life. So that we improve people's livelihood. That would be very understandable. No temu tuerdorare against something like that. Lakini keja kudura nande we are building on government land. We are using resources from people, not from government. Mbecha ingi dirikari iguchoki itiai. Na keja kudura maybe ni marando jetu ikurea kana whatever. Do we have structures? Tuena policy. Policy yenye omba yure kenda gutuika na policy. Mea gitumi kimwe ka gavana Kawira anire igutwika tuge program jerewe kweja na ng'ombe kana mifugo kirage atumire atwika seneti konena makosa MCS ba mwekira mbecha iria ba mwirite ethero ina policy. Policy ikuga weje otwire ng'ombe ikaeja no ingana ikethero isoseto kumana kwe waga qualify na what criteria. Policy nyomba ira thirikari kwejana niriko no guqualify gukombora nyomba iria na mbecha yu kumakire nyomba iria ure gukombora revenue yu ibati gwetao ika accounted for at policy ni ekura. If there was a well structured policy mwananchi akiona mbecha ikugitwa nto kana ndatonya nyomba undare na regweta, we would not be complaining. We would not have a problem. 2010 constitution I provide for devolution teoma na devolved units thirikari cia matora. Na igitarira kina Raila Odinga budget na majimboism, which is the same thing. Iba auri mono mporo ete kwenda kithimi. No to the government then iba ije what devolution means. Devolution means semi autonomy, yani to thirikari to tena autonomy etio ya go spend mbecha ciao na kuthena employees bao na governance structures ciao na legislature yao jonto the county assemblies na intoja biu. Na rera we na autonomous structure ka governance structure kaina autonomy tiako ikethera kaina mandate tiao bethera bena revenue tiao and how they spend their revenue. Na thirikari nene nera introduce regento to weta procurement. I procurement ikumaanisha 15% ira yumakire national to in the 100% national revenue county government get only 15%. Pesa kidogo sana. 15% yu no yo thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ingangene guchokia in the national government. We are decentralizing governance tena. Na decentralizing ite choka onge. Rewa centralize revenue, the next thing is to do away with the devolved units. Na scenario county government yetu Meru ina over 7,000 employees. Antopo ina atota wiki. Ina casual workers to tetara. Antopo betau. Now if you centralize resources ira tumairo ni county government to run their affairs and everything, you're practically, for lack of a better word, doing away with devolution. We are in utter disrespect, utter disregard of the Constitution of Kenya 2010. Turenda kuga mantojo on the yani we are becoming a banana republic. Knowers of no law, respecters of no law. Now until we embrace constitutionalism, nije kwe na difference ya constitution yuku na constitutionalism. Constitutionalism iku embrace mantoja jogikire constitution ere. Nonto mtoja the state we refer to the presidency as the state. The state in some kind of freedom. Nonte nyake adhero ya iti na arua. ati thitangwo as a president. Aina some independence, some autonomy, some freedom we don't understand. Na ni constitution yetu mwete freedom sijaiu. Lakini nande if tukeja kwithora nande as Kenyans tukire state na infiltrate legislature ikyo kuigwa nto bakiuga MPs are compromised.
Yes.
State na infiltrate judiciary ikianto bakuga the judicial system is collapsed. Like justice is a luxury in Kenya right now. Nande tuchoke tukire the same state infiltrate devolution. Gotu kenande resources siri rabati kudhiru Kameru for just Marians to benefit as we wait for CDF or whatever comes with NGCDF from the national government. It's okay nande again to the national government. Then what are we doing? That is why mtoja DMK akarunga maka I am in full support of the county government because whatever they are getting at least there is an attempt to make a difference. But nande about these people. Baba anginya bibiro neka county bi kai bachoketi in the national government. That is where everyone is differing with this government. Now only I think a month or less ago in the area kwenu the FM. Yes. And I was in support of this government. And we need to give them maybe some time. But then a week or so later e-procurement. Ile pesa tulikuwa tuna benefit na kidogo hapa tubecha tunini turatura tumeramirwa tukwa centralized kaire. County officers by from the national government, from treasury. What are we doing? What about the procurement systems cha county? Tutu ikena ande governor kedro atemeni na ambassador wa Iran kana wa America akienda cha iambete treasury. Like there's nothing we can do for ourselves if we go with that system. So personally nyani could differ the national government known to why are we killing devolution? Why are we going against the constitution? Nongana ndebo tuire mtaibange ati azore akwe to the constitution is no longer a factor.
Okay, niwe kasa nikilugete ndeke kumna ila lakini mateto cheru kire kumba kwithira chirwa matukirekeria kwina upcoming kana mtura akwithuka tuka kaigwa mimi naweza fanya siasa. Undo no tuweke musiasa. Emerging leaders na mno banjenzi. Akwina mtura ukira akachira mimi naweza faa kukua linda mahali fulani. Ni bibyo mwa kitwanya ke siasa bati komba kuthiriba abati komba kuthiriba ngete atia na ni bibati kuthira bira akiri newe bira ke yatrime ke fiundi ya siasa.
Wow, that's a nice question. Kiambere masiasa ne no bati kwethirwa wijikena no ntobanto fulani. You need to be known for something. Nonto wigagwa a politician associated na kirejene nakyo. Case scenario nonto ni I've worked for Mheshimiwa DMK as his campaign manager. Kira back in 2017 kira toje Mheshimiwa DMK nakyo toije mtu utethagia strangers watu wajui.
Yes.
Nonto DMK was known for nonto mbereta siasene aije kena nonto naitaga ngugi kiri help na natethetie amiruba baingi na batethetie without any attachments atibaiji. I was one of the beneficiaries without even wanting to know where you come from as long as you're in need nate amiru aki. So you need to be known for something na ntoke mbere ayuti boba yome nao benda kuindulge in politics. You cannot indulge in politics wewe nunja. It is impossible. Oni inyange pasu bachelor sekwa political science. I was out in the field. Nonto nda tuamenyanira na governor Kiraito ntentera tonyanya school university. Na in university the 4 years I was very active. Kinyadara ntomba kuma maseno Bejameru. I was very active on social media. I was oversighting government. Na in the voice yakona igekana.
Yes.
Nonto if something was wrong I could call it out. Na when I was around michema niyo ya public participation, michema niyo ya tongeria, michema niyo ya tori, whatever you show up. Utiumba kwethero esi na utiumba kwethero esi asene anto pati kumenya no ethero kenda kumenya what is going on. If you stand and advocate for people's rights, stand and advocate for good governance, in short utire mtu akwejera gwaku nja kugwatenjera kwira ugo no kuonania kwa kabo musiasa runga moto ututongerie kana rungama utwire no ate.
Yes.
Kanto bakona wiru bwaku uchiumerie, you put yourself out there kenda voice yaku igikana. No tumba kuthara na kuwijete siasene otena ideology. Na kuga there must be something you stand for as Felista. There must be something you're known for. No, Tony, I was known for calling out government. Only if you did something wrong, whether you're my friend or not, nkakwira na ante kwira nkiri ngakwira loudly and everyone will hear. So nobody kwira wije kena for something na expectations tiaku in this field. Nobody kumenya that sorry to say, it's a very dirty field. Nobody kwithirwa wije, you are ready to go all the way. You are ready to endure kurumwa. Uri ready kuumiria kwirwa. Uri ready kuumiria nya gutemania na antu your family yaku nebati kwithirwa ready kwirwa mantu. Na ntiku young kwira, you need some resources. You need to be able to move around. No tukenda mpuma gwetu gaturi mbita kwaria na antu Edhimbari chure location from Abogeta location ntegwetete amaguru. You need some resources. So mtu agakwaya, you do not need resources. You might not na since 2027 together ile totally different. Resources ikendeka ende mbeta tichikagura kura.
Wow.
Mbeta itegura kura in 2027. Ikeja kwethirwa the same spirit that the Gen Zs have. No yoba geta kuregister nayo kura. Na no yoba kaumira nayo kuringa kura. Then money will not be a factor. So if you want to buy, chwa resources cha ukunyagia na abantu bakwarirwa kendo bariria. Not necessarily resources cha kugura antu kana cha kugura kura. Because kedha tukaringa kura without emotions na without personal interest kana interest cha magana jairi magana jatatu, then money will not be a factor. But ntikwa yankwire tafuta resources, you need to be able to move around. You need to have nobody kwetherwa kiranto assumption ya kwetherwa anto patipati mano nobody kwetherwa especially wambore baba koromba kura bambere nobody kwetherwa wijikene no kamenyekana ate ukamenyekana by attending church services chetunisa, by attending meetings, by having a few posters, by having online presence. Online presence ikumanisha ugorere ati online kwibange bakwaria tiako.
Wow.
These people will not do that for free. So you need resources. You need resources. Usidanganywe. Tafuta kakitu kidogo.
Lakini
indetaka kugura kura. Iga ku make sure you can move around. You can make your policies known. You can make your ideologies known.
Yeah. Lakini wakau Mheshimiwa John Paul Mwirigi kirita mwewe mbere atari na mbesa aitawa kivulana, but he won.
He won, but unenda kuria atiri. John Paul Mwirigi, a constituency is a big space. Na John Paul Mwirigi was moving from one place to another. Na areaga nongombere nande akamata wotheri. Mtu bikibiki akaja akamwira mindo nakupeleka leo. Ingia hapa nikupeleka. John Paul Mwirigi lazima na arere bikibiki, lazima netere na arere ngari from one place to another. That's why I'm saying dynamics there 2027 will be totally different. It is known that kura ni guragwa. It is known that antu ibaja wambeta, and it is known people vote for money. But 2027 will be different. Look for resources enough to have you move around, not resources to buy votes. It may not be necessary.
Thank you nubeka sana Felista akithenji na tugutikire kwa Kristo ndo chetu Meru TV gutwarire mantu jegie utungiri na kinya mantu jegie wathani na twaguchwaringi because jamani akwira mantu kathomba tubatikumba kwithira tukimenya yegie utungiri bubweya na kinya wathani bubweya indeka chetu tukumba kwithira chitunia amakano ikilugete ndeke 19 kinyume thito chero kiri kumba kwithira chiro amanda ina ndeketi kuraya twachokera na murembo gwitwa Faith tukerire mantu jegie urani education advocate tukeri mantu jegie ni atia achiari babatikumba kwithira bakirera nabo kana bakimenyera nabo akaiteneka holiday kana kaita kara chukuru chomba kwithira chikingwa. By the way tunaanza holiday Friday. Yes. Are you aware? For 2 months. too good man.
It'll be tough.
Tukomba kwithira turi na mieri ile.
Mary. Nimesahau kusema mtu agiita kurena wakamata kibande yake kamata inya akili wetene. It is very necessary. Wacha emotions kwa nyumba, wacha interest za pesa kwa nyumba, beba idea yako na akili yako.
Bado
tumenyana te utiga akili ndio tugeta na ibande yako.
Gen Z bogene bakaitha ibande bia aciari bo bado tutaficha.
Very vigilant. 2 months is a long time. 2 months is a long time in terms of kumenya mwana huyu na arimbia kuthithia.
Yes.
And 2 months is a long time in terms of resources. So watu wajikakamue anto baoge michibi. Nonto kuria nitakula nini from morning to evening. So you need resources and you also need to know, especially baba ina kura.
Yes.
You need to know where your kids are and what they are doing. It is very necessary.
Okay. Thank you ni bwega sana tuonane ndeke itikura yetu gichokera na mrembo gwito Faith.